Hi everybody. Today I have to speak about Corton and Corton Charlemagne, the two specific Grand Cru on the northern location of the Côte de Beaune. We bought this place in 1909. 7 hectares, practically 50% with Chardonnay, 50% with Pinot. The two locations are so specific and so interesting for the company because of the altitude, but also the orientation. East, south, east. You have the first sun of the day. You have cool conditions all along the time. There is never any emergency on this location. We are in front of the north wind, so you are safe in front of disease happening. And this is the perfect location today in front of global warming conditions. They are exactly on the same location, but the ground is completely different. With Corton Charlemagne, which is up the place, here the ground is so poor, close to the rocks, which is so important for the message and the tasting. For the Corton, the slope is not the same. The declivity is less than the Corton Charlemagne, the altitude also, and it makes the difference. Here you have a mix of clay and limestone, and here you need to plant a Pinot. About the tasting, immediately, because of the cool conditions, you have red fruit expression. You have blackberries, blueberries, but also a smoky message coming from the ground. This is the message of Le Corton. Never try to find a deep color on this place. There is not too much iron on this clay. The soil is so poor on this place. You are close to the rocks. And because of the east orientation, because of the altitude, because of the north exposure in front of the wind, you save the acidity and you always have a very well-balanced definition. The big surprise here is always on the tasting. You have a so fresh expression. It's never hard tannins, they are so sophisticated, and in the palate it's like a peacock. Everything is opening on the palate and you always have a very long aftertaste. This is a perfect wine. It can be so flashy and perfect today, but you can age for a long time. Because of the acidity, of course, but the complexity is so interesting. You have a mineral message on this place. The good acidity can save the aging on the bottles, and this wine is really exceptional. So, because of its location, you always have a so nice freshness, a perfect acidity. The wine have many luggage to age for a long time, but it can be so seductive when it is young. It's exactly what we want. Cheers. Second one is Corton Charlemagne. So the ground is so different. You are close to the rocks, the ground is so poor here. We never produce so much, and the quality is always magic. But what is so important is cool conditions, 350 meters on this place, give us the best chance to have the perfect ripeness, but we always save a good acidity, and it's so important. About the tasting of Corton Charlemagne, the freshness. Immediately you have something delicate with peaches and apricot, but also agrumes, almonds, nuts. It's so complex and expressive. The tasting is so interesting. On the palate you have, on the attack, something so large and rich, with a high power expression. Then after, you finish with a limestone expression. It gives vibrations and minerality. But the end of the tasting is so interesting with a salty definition. It explains you can have a perfect marriage with seafood. Corton Charlemagne with a lobster can be perfect. I love this wine because you finish the tasting with grapefruit tasting. And it's not any bitterness message, but the energy of the grapefruit is right here. This wine is really exceptional, complex, and you can age for a long, long time with Corton Charlemagne. Cheers!